Welcome to my channel, Gosia Art Home Cooking. I like to say thank you so much for supporting my channel and welcome to new friends. And thank you so much for the great comments. Today I'd like to show you a great recipe. It's a very popular Polish dish. It's a roast pork loin stuffed with prawns. It's a very delicious dish. I hope you enjoy it. I have this beautiful pork loin. It's about 2.5 pounds. Now I'm pouring balsamic vinegar over the pork loin. And let it stay for 1 hour. It's a raspberry balsamic vinegar. 3 tablespoons to just tenderize the meat. I make the holes. To absorb vinegar and make the meat more tender. Now I will start with the prawns. I have to make the hole in the middle of the meat. And just go through. And now I can stuff with prawns. It's very easy recipe, and the pork loin is so delicious with prunes. It's like a different way to make roast pork. I use about 10 prunes. For this recipe I use garlic. Black pepper. Salt. And marjoram. The pork roast stuffed with prawns will be delicious. It's done. Now I will bake in oven 400 degrees for 1 hour. I will pour some virgin oil. And now it's time to bake. After half an hour I cover a roast with the foil. And let's go roast for half a more hour. The roast pork with prawns. Now I will cover with foil and just let it rest the meat for 20 more minutes. Roast pork with prawns is done. And looks beautiful. It's very nice recipe. And if you like this video, give me a thumb up and make sure you subscribe to my channel to be the first to see the recipes. Thank you so much for watching. Dziękuję bardzo, smacznego.